fruits and vegetables make you fat, debunking the myth. Hey there, health-conscious viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a controversial question that we've seen pop up online. Can fruits and vegetables make you fat? It might sound counterintuitive because we often associate these foods with weight loss, but let's dive deep into this topic to separate fact from fiction. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss our videos. Let's jump in. Alright, let's start with the basics. Fruits and vegetables are rich in essential nutrients, fiber, and are generally low in calories. They provide vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall health. But can they make you fat to gain weight? You need to consume more calories than your body burns. Fruits and vegetables, while nutritious, are generally low in calories compared to processed foods. So, if you're eating a balanced diet, it's unlikely that these foods alone will cause weight gain. Here's where things get interesting. If you consume fruits and vegetables excessively, you could potentially exceed your daily calorie needs. Like any other food, it's essential to practice portion control and balance your intake. Let's address some fruit myths. Some fruits are higher in natural sugars, but they also contain fiber, which slows down sugar absorption. Unless you're consuming excessive amounts of very high sugar fruits, it's unlikely they will make you gain weight. Now, for vegetables, veggies are incredibly low in calories, making them an excellent choice for weight management, but beware of how you prepare them. Drowning them in butter or creamy sauces can add extra calories. Weight management is about the big picture, your entire diet and lifestyle. It's not about blaming specific foods. If you eat a variety of foods, practice portion control, and maintain an active lifestyle, fruits and vegetables should be your allies in reaching or maintaining a healthy weight. Beyond weight, remember the numerous health benefits of fruits and vegetables. They support heart health, lower the risk of chronic diseases, and boost your immune system, so don't fear these nutritional powerhouses. In conclusion, the idea that fruits and vegetables can make you fat is a myth when consumed in moderation. And as part of a balanced diet, these foods are essential for your health and well-being. And they're certainly not the culprits behind weight gain. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might have misconceptions about fruits and vegetables. We're here to provide you with evidence-based information to help you make healthier choices. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to explore in future videos, please leave a comment below. Thanks for joining us today, and remember, a balanced diet is key to a healthy life. Stay well.